Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce the features of 86 interactive panel. It is 4K screen and tempered glass. It supports mass levels to explosion-proof. Hitting the screen randomly will not damage it. Second, it is aluminum frame design, can effectively dissipate heat. Deep blue and black color. Built-in 48MP camera or 13MP camera and bar-array mic, 10 meters sound pickup. Front buttons total 7 buttons. Power button has indicate light. 3-in-1 function. Press slightly is turn off. Pause. Tap the screen or press the button to turn on the screen. Long press it to turn off. Include OPS-PC off. Record button can recording screen. And switch the resolution. Under HDMI channel, it can switch display rate. Change to 4:3 or 16:9:11. Wall jar. SCT button, and eye protection, open eye protection. The brightness is opened. Close it recover normal. Front has light sensor and remote receiver. 3 pieces USB, 1 piece HDMI, 1 piece touch USB, and 1 piece Type-C. 1 cable transferring.